Time Flies here for the unboxing and review from the Spin Master Monster Jam series. It's going to be a very cool one to look at. I got it at Kohl's for $3.99 and then it was a little bit reduced. So that's very helpful. Arena favorites. The trucks on this mix, we got Grave Digger. Then we have Bad News Travels Fast. There's Zombie in the colored wheels. Also Pirate's Curse in the colored wheels, it looks like. Iron Outlaw, Wildflower, Ice Cream Man, and Earth Shaker. So let's go ahead and look at Time Flies. Here we go with Time Flies. There's the little figure that we get. And wow, look at this. Time Flies, the yellow version of the body. I enjoy this color matchup with the yellow and then the red chassis. And then the wheels are just the gray wheels. And let's go ahead and take a closer look at Time Flies' design on the truck. Very cool. There we get the Monster Jam logo up there. The name of the truck. Then you get to see some of the suspension just like the truck itself has. And then in the front, look at that. The lights, the little lights in the front. And then on the grill, it has Wildflower and Time Flies on the truck. Isn't that interesting? Hopefully I got that right. The Time Flies and then Wildflower. Looks like the black version of Time Flies on the left hand side. And then Wildflower right on the grill. Very cool design. The father-daughter team. And then there we have the other side. Then on the back, just nothing, just wide open. You can see the motor very clearly. And so let's bring in also the Wildflower side by side. So you see in the front that this older version of the Double Down Showdown 2-pack that I did earlier in the year, that there is no decal on the grill, but now that they did re-release Time Flies, and Wildflower, and it does now have design on the grill. So here's a side-by-side comparison of the Wildflower and Time Flies. So thank you for tuning in to this unboxing of Time Flies. I hope that you enjoyed this, and let me know what you think of Time Flies. Do you like the design? Are you happy that it's finally in the Spin Master diecast line for Monster Jam? So thank you.